Welcome back to Dave's Shed. Today we're going to venture beyond the shed and go to a wood show. So come with us and we'll check it out. We're very lucky in southeast Queensland because we have 2 wood shows every year. This show is held in the city in Brisbane and it's been renamed. It's now called the Timber Tools and Artisan show. I wanted to go and look at the interesting types of wood that are available, but what you'll notice pretty much straight away is there is a lot of demonstrations and interactive things going on, and so that was the second thing to catch my eye. In this club we're doing a lot of demonstrations. This guy was showing wood turning and I spoke to him, and then that turned into a free lesson. So he taught me my free lesson in wood turning, which was fantastic. Later on I found these guys up at the other end of the big pavilion were also doing a whole series of different courses. I presume they were free here as well, I'm not sure. And you can see there's several people learning how to turn, and someone in the background they're doing some scroll saw work. So you'll see this theme as you go around. It's quite different from what's gone in the past. There's a lot more demonstrations and it's a lot more interactive, so you can try your hands at things. There's also areas and other special activities for children. So very, very interesting, I think. There are also experts doing different presentations and demonstrations of things and giving you expert advice. Here I'm just carrying on the wood turning theme, but there's a lot more than just wood turning. I missed Steve Hayes' presentation, but there's lots of different presentations of different things as you go around, which is great. I talked to this guy from the Wood Collectors Society, and he pointed out an interesting fact that Australia actually has more different species of timber trees than any other continent. So I found that very interesting. I brought some timber from these guys. There are a few timber merchants in there, so that's always good. This guy's got a new router sled invention, so you might want to go and check that out. There were a lot more tool vendors there than have been in recent years. In fact, the guy from here in Forbes told me it's the first time they've been back in 6 years. And there's some other large tool vendors as well. So that'll be good news for some of you. I also got a code, so instead of buying it right there, I can still get the show discount online. I would have loved to take home one of these jointers, but sadly the budget doesn't stretch that far. Or how about your very own miniature sawmill? The Lucas Mill guy was setting up outside for another demonstration, but I didn't stick around to see that. There were a few other crafts and artisans throughout. This guy's outside, there were a few inside, so you might want to check those out. There was even this guy doing a painting. There was even a little bit of entertainment. What was lacking was people, so I encourage you to get along there and see the show and support it, because in my opinion it's clearly heading in the right direction. So if you want it to thrive, you need to turn up.
Then I got you under my skin.
Arbitech were there doing their thing, and the Griffin's Jig couple were there. So you know, most of the usual suspects, as you'd expect. This guy caught my eye. By the time he went through all of the grids, the wood was as if he had finished it with a product, but it was just sanding. So I just got home from the show. Brought myself some boards of camphor, some glue and a few other bits and pieces. Got some discount codes if you want to go and buy some machinery online. So that was great, and got a free lesson on wood turning. My first time I've ever tried it, so that was brilliant. I should mention they've got an area, if you've got bulky things like this, you can take it to the back door. They give you a docket, and you can drive your car around and pick it up, so you don't have to lug bits of timber all the way through to the car park. So that's great. So I recommend, if you're in Brisbane this weekend, go and check it out. It's a good show, and you'll have a good time, learn something, buy something. So that's it for me for this week. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's all helpful feedback for me and encourages me to make more content for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.